Meanwhile, Arkansas added another 531 new cases of COVID-19 today, bringing us near that 100,000 mark. That's combining confirmed and probable cases. Statewide total of 99,597. Active cases are down by more than 200, with 8,600 fighting the virus right now. 10 more people have died for a total of 1,714 deaths. Hospitalizations also up today by 41 to 613, and more than 89,000 have recovered.